Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Mr. Beast here. Today we're diving deep into something super important, the cycle of poverty. Imagine this, a cartoon character running on a hamster wheel going nowhere fast. That's the poverty cycle. But the good news is, it's not a life sentence. We're gonna smash that wheel to pieces with the power of knowledge. We'll uncover why the poor often stay poor and how to overcome real-life obstacles. It's all about giving you the tools to break free and create a brighter future. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get started.
Great Caesar's ghost!
Alright guys, let's talk about mindset. It's one of the most crucial elements in achieving financial success. Now I know what you're thinking. Mr. Beast, what does my mindset have to do with money? Well, let me tell you, it has everything to do with it. Wealthy people see money as a tool, something to invest and grow. They don't just earn money, they make their money work for them. They understand the power of investing. Whether it's in stocks, real estate, or even their own businesses, they know that money can grow if you plant it wisely. They're always thinking long-term, playing the long game. They set goals and create strategies to achieve them, no matter how far off they may seem. They're not afraid to take calculated risks, to invest in themselves and their future. They know that personal growth is just as important as financial growth. They understand that the more you learn, the more you earn. Education and knowledge are key components in their journey to wealth. So how do you develop this wealth mindset? It starts with changing your perspective. Instead of thinking, I can't afford that, ask yourself, how can I afford that? Believe in your ability to learn, grow, and achieve financial success. It's about having a positive outlook and a can-do attitude. Celebrate your small victories along the way. Each step forward is progress, and it's important to acknowledge that. Surround yourself with positive influences, people who are already killing it in the finance game. Learn from their experiences, and let their success inspire you. It takes effort, discipline, and practice. But it's possible. Consistency is key, and over time, you'll see the results of your hard work. Once you shift your mindset, everything else starts to fall into place. Your actions align with your new way of thinking. You start making smarter financial decisions and attracting abundance into your life. It's like a domino effect. One good decision leads to another. Now in the next chapter, we'll dive into financial literacy, so you can make your money work as hard for you as you work for it. Stay tuned and let's get started on this journey together. Alright guys, now let's get down to business. It's time to talk about financial literacy. Think of it like leveling up in a video game. The more you know about how money works, the better you'll be at managing it and making it grow. First things first, budgeting. It's like having a roadmap for your money so you know where it's going instead of wondering where it went. There are tons of apps and tools out there that can help you track your income and expenses, making budgeting super easy. Next up, saving. The more you save, the faster you can reach your financial goals, whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or retiring early. And speaking of investing, that's where things get really exciting. Investing is like planting seeds for your future. The key is to do your research, start small, and gradually increase your investments as you learn more. In the next chapter, we're going to talk about those sneaky consumer traps that can keep you stuck in the cycle of poverty. Alright guys, let's talk about something that really grinds my gears: consumer traps. These are sneaky tactics companies use to trick you into spending more money than you need to. First up, those flashy ads. You know, the ones that make you feel like you absolutely need the latest gadgets, clothes, or cars to be cool or happy. Don't fall for it. Remember, those companies are just trying to sell you something. Think about it. Do you really need that new phone, or are you just caught up in the hype? Next, beware of debt traps. Credit cards, payday loans, they can seem like a quick fix, but they often come with sky-high interest rates that can trap you in a cycle of debt. Avoid these traps by living within your means, building an emergency fund, and exploring alternative financing options if needed. And don't even get me started on those get-rich-quick schemes. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. In the next chapter, we're diving into the exciting world of multiple income streams. Chapter 5. Building multiple income streams. Level up your finances. Yo, what's up, financial warriors? Welcome to another exciting chapter where we dive deep into the world of finances. Now it's time to unlock the next level of financial freedom, building multiple income streams. Imagine having several sources of income flowing in, giving you the freedom to live life on your own terms. This is how you level up your finances and create a safety net that catches you if one income source stumbles. It's like having a financial cushion that keeps you secure. Think of it like this: if you only have one source of income, and something happens like you lose your job or your business takes a hit, your entire financial world could crumble. It's a risky game to play, but with multiple income streams, you've got backup, you've got options, you've got peace of mind. You can relax knowing that if one stream dries up, others are still flowing. Now you might be thinking, Mr. Beast, that's great and all, but I'm already working my tail off. How can I possibly manage more? How am I supposed to find the time and energy to create multiple income streams? It sounds overwhelming, right? And that's a valid question. But here's the thing. You don't have to do it all at once. Start small and build gradually. But the good news is, there are tons of ways to generate extra income without quitting your day job. You can start with something simple and scale up as you go. You can start a side hustle doing something you love, like photography, capturing moments and turning them into cash, writing, sharing your stories and ideas with the world, or graphic design, creating stunning visuals for clients. The internet has opened up a world of possibilities for entrepreneurs and side hustlers. You can reach a global audience from the comfort of your home. In the next chapter, we're bringing it all together, talking about the path to financial freedom and how you can achieve your wildest financial dreams. Stay tuned, and let's level up together. Chapter 6. The path to financial freedom. You got this. Alright guys, we've covered a lot of ground in this video. From understanding the poverty cycle to developing a wealth mindset, mastering financial literacy, dodging consumer traps, and building multiple income streams. Each of these steps is crucial in laying a solid foundation for your financial future. And building multiple income streams is one of the most effective ways to ensure financial stability and growth. Now it's time to talk about the bigger picture, the path to financial freedom. This journey is not just about accumulating wealth but also about achieving a state of financial security and peace of mind. Remember that cartoon character we talked about at the beginning, the one stuck in the poverty cycle? That character represents many of us at some point in our lives. Well, by now, you've got the knowledge and tools to break free from that hamster wheel and create a brighter future. It's about taking control of your financial destiny. Financial freedom means something different to everyone. It could be owning your dream home, traveling the world, or simply having the peace of mind that comes with financial security. For some, it might mean being debt-free. Imagine the relief of not having to worry about monthly debt payments. For others, it might mean having enough money saved to retire early or pursue their passions without worrying about money. It's about having the freedom to make choices that align with your values and desires. Whatever financial freedom looks like to you, the key is to define your goals, create a plan, and take action. Setting clear, achievable goals is the first step towards making your financial dreams a reality. Remember, nothing changes if nothing changes. You have to be proactive and intentional about your financial decisions. You have to be willing to put in the work, to educate yourself, to make smart financial decisions, and to stay disciplined. Consistency and perseverance are key. But here's the thing. It doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small. Take baby steps. Each small step you take brings you closer to your financial goals. Celebrate your progress along the way. Recognize and reward yourself for the milestones you achieve, no matter how small they may seem. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about pacing yourself, staying motivated, and keeping your eyes on the prize. You got this. Chapter 7. Your challenge: break the cycle. Alright guys, we've talked about breaking the cycle of poverty, but now it's time to take action. This isn't just about watching a video. It's about making a real change in your life and inspiring others to do the same. So, here's what I want you to do. In the comments below, tell me one thing you learned from this video and one action step you're going to take to improve your financial situation. Maybe you're going to create a budget for the first time, start researching investment opportunities, or finally launch that side hustle you've been dreaming about. And here's the Mr. Beast twist. I'm going to be randomly selecting a few of you who comment and sending you some awesome financial resources like books, courses, or even some cold hard cash to help you on your journey. Let's break the cycle of poverty, one step at a time. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and share this video with anyone who needs to hear this message. Outro. Don't just watch transform. Yo, what's up guys, it's Mr. Beast. I hope you enjoyed that video about breaking the poverty cycle. Now, I know talking about money can be a little awkward, but it's super important, right? Like, it affects all of us. But the good news is, no matter where you're starting from, you have the power to change your financial future. It's all about knowledge, mindset, and taking action. So, don't just let this video be another video, let it be a spark, a motivation to level up your life. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. And hey, if you ever need a little inspiration, you know where to find me. Peace out.